Morning, YouTube family. I know it's been a while. I have not recorded anything since my update. I wanted to come to you all this morning. I literally just woke up, hopped out of bed, threw this shirt on to film this because I wanted to give you all a step-by-step of each product in my facial care line, which is like my biggest seller, my bundle system. I am working on instruction cards to go inside. I don't know why, like when I created it, I thought it would be like, I guess because I did doing it from my point of mind and what I do, I just automatically assumed that everybody else would know what to do. But a lot of people have been asking for instruction cards, so those are coming. But in the meantime, I wanted to give you a physical representation of how to use each product and the best way to do it for your skincare needs. So excuse how rough I look this morning, but I wanted to come to you barefaced right when I wake up and brush my teeth so I could show you like what I do with these products every single day. I also wanted to show you because, as you all know, I recently started my micro lock, and I had to retie my micro locks over the weekend because I started them with 2-string twists and they have to be interlocked at the root. So I had to retie them over the weekend, and there was a lot of product involved in that, and because of that I do have a small breakout here. You probably can't see it from this angle because of the sun, but you might be able to see it better in my bathroom when I go to record, because of course we know bathroom lighting is like the worst lighting. It shows all your imperfections. So I am recording in there so you all can see that yes, I am the skin queen, and yes, I use my products safely. But even if I do something wrong, I still get breakouts, but my products do help me alleviate those breakouts really fast. Like these few bumps that I have from the oils that I used in my hair will probably be gone. I give it till Friday, Saturday. And maybe I'll try to track that and come back with an update video. But I give it till Friday, Saturday, and all of the little small breakouts that I got will be gone. Oh, I'm looking mad ashy, y'all. I love y'all to come on camera like this because I don't let people see me without at least a lippy, like lipstick, lip gloss. My lips too big not to have nothing on them. But we're about to head to the bathroom now, and I am going to get started showing you all how to use my products every day, okay? With a description of each, okay? So, be right back. Going to the bathroom. Be back. Bye. Okay, so I'm back. I'm in my bathroom, and yes, I'm in the dark. I'm just using my ring light for my lighting in here. I feel like you can see me better in here. I'm still ashy, but I got my lip scrub, which I haven't dropped my lip scrub yet, but it's the bomb, and I'm going to show you what it does for me and my lips and my routine. I think I didn't drink enough water last night, so I might be a little dehydrated, but that's really bothering me. But anyway, so I'm in my bathroom. So what I normally do this in the shower, but I don't have like a way to suction my phone in my shower to shoot that way yet, so we're gonna do it like this. It might come off a little weird, but it is what it is. So I start my mornings off like this. I go get in the shower, let the water run over my face and body. I don't touch my face while the water is running. I try not to touch my face as much as possible in the beginning of this process, because sometimes we can irritate our skin by just rubbing and touching on it too much. So I don't touch my face as the water runs over my face. And I hope y'all can see. I feel like here you can see better. There's a little breakout right here. And if you know me, you know I kind of wear my hair kind of more like towards my face. And I sleep with it all the way up like this, and it's all in my face. So I have like this from the oils, like everybody else. The oils clog me up right here, and I have a little slight breakout. So like I'll be using my mask this week along with my regular routine because I know it'll make it disappear. It's just bomb, and it's gonna make it disappear, and I'm gonna show you how I use my mask as well. But first we'll get into the regular part of this, which is the cleanser, and I'm gonna grab the cleanser one. So this is the cleanser that everybody, okay, lighting is not being my friend right now, but this is the cleanser, and right now it's in a spray bottle. The spray bottle has not been problematic for anybody once they realize what they're supposed to do with it. I've had people to actually take the cleanser and spray it in their hair. And I find it hilarious because it's a skincare set, but they weren't sure what to do. So I'm thinking about changing the bottle on the cleanser because I don't want, it's not gonna hurt your hair, but I want you to know what to do with it. And I feel like if I put it in a different packaging, even if I run out of instruction cards, you'll know what to do. And mine looks all crummy because I use it. It's not full because I use it. I just filled it up a little bit more because I was running down. But it looks a little weird because I use it. But what I do is I wet my face with water, which I'm gonna go do that right now. Okay, as you can see or not see, this big old head is laced with water. And this comes out as a spray. Because of its form, it comes out as a spray. And my cleanser, it's really good. It has aloe, burdock root, jojoba, honey, cocoa powder, corn wood, plantain powder, and a very little bit of coconut oil, which is MCT coconut oil because that is the non-pore clogging coconut oil, not regular coconut oil. Regular coconut oil makes me break out in cystic acne, so I did not put it in this product, which is probably why people don't get a lot of what they call new use breakouts with my products, because I use certain versions of each oil that are least pore clogging and at the lowest amount. Anyway, and my base is aloe, so yeah, it's the bomb. So you spray it on your face, right? I spray liberally because I make it myself. I advise users to spray it like maybe 4 sprays until their face feels wet, but I spray as much as I want to because I make it and I can just make use more. But I'm gonna spray it. And I use my hand. Now, it's not a high lather product, but it does lather. And it feels very cool to the skin. I'm gonna attempt to open my eyes. I didn't think that through. So I use my hands now. Cause I'm just goofy. Y'all see how goofy I am? This girl done sprayed her whole face with soap and forgot she had to open her eyes. Cause I'm goofy like that. But I have this cloth, and I got this cloth offline from this girl that I follow on Instagram. But I'm thinking about selling it just because it's so bum. I wash my face and my body with it, and it's big. So I use one end for my face and one end for my body. And it's called an African Ghana net, and it's really exfoliating, but I'm a highly sensitive skin person. It's not exfoliating to the point where it makes my skin break out. Because if you over exfoliate sensitive skin, or even if you barely exfoliate sensitive skin, it can break out real bad. So I like this because it works. It's like a net. I don't know, it's popping. No, I like it. And I just use once I get the soap all over my face, I lightly rub with it, even over my lips, to exfoliate my lips. Because who likes dry, crackly, ashy lips? And I just go through all over my face with it. Now, because I currently have a breakout right here, this area is what I consider sensitive. I'm not going to go over this area with this because it will actually make it worse and inflame it. So I use my hand here, but I use this here. And normally I'm in the shower and water is consistently running, so it's a much more soapy process. But for the sake of this video, just imagine the foam that you saw on my face is still there because I don't have water to keep reactivating it. And I just go all over my skin with this. Very light because it exfoliates, so you don't even have to do a lot. Very light. And then after that, I rinse it off. So I'm gonna go rinse it off. Okay, so I'm rinsed off, and as you can see, my skin looks cleaner than it did. It looks brighter than it did just from using that rag. I'm telling you, I'm really thinking about selling them, but just in case I never sell them, I don't know. I think I should too because they work so well with my soaps, and they make your soaps lather even more, which is another reason why I'm thinking about selling them. But I got mine from a girl, and I will drop the link to hers in the drop box. That's who I got mine from. Not sure if I'm gonna sell it myself, but I'm thinking I am because it works so good with my soap. But anyway, as you can see, my skin looks better. I look clean and brighter. So after that, I follow up with my toner. This is my toner. I don't know if you can see it, but I have the sensitive formula, and it comes with organic aloe vera, organic cucumber extract, alcohol-free witch hazel, which I think is very important for a very sensitive skin, because regular witch hazel, like Dickinson's witch hazel, used to make my face burn, and it would hurt so bad. So I don't use that in here. I use the alcohol-free witch hazel in here. and vitamin E and A. So as you can see, it's used all up too. So I spray it on my face while my skin is still damp. So I may like air dry a little bit. Air dry. And then I spray it. And you don't even have to spray it that many times. You can spray it 2 times and that's enough. But I just love my product, so I just lace myself in it. Oh, and you'll see, I use this product again for something that you might not even realize you can use it for. I'm doing another video this week on a process that I promised you guys, and I use this for that process too, and it's bomb. You probably wouldn't even think to use it for that, but I do. Then I go to my next step, which normally it would be my second step because I would be doing it in the shower. Scrub. It's not labeled yet or anything like that because I haven't dropped it yet. But this scrub is a lip scrub. The reason I do that is because with the mask and like lip gloss every day, you know, you're wearing a mask every day and a lip gloss or whatever you put, it's like going all into your, I don't know, your lips just get weird and dry and caked up with the lip gloss under the mask rubbing. So I made a scrub for your lips, and I use just a little, because a little of all my stuff goes a long way. Just this much. Can you see that? Just that much. And I just scrub my lips with it. And like I said, normally I'm doing this in the shower, so it looks a little different. But it tastes good. It's completely safe. Don't eat it, but if a little of it, you know, if you get a little taste of it, it does taste good. And it just makes your lips exfoliated and bright. This is good also. I personally am not a smoker, but I know smokers, both male and female. This is good for that. To keep your lips from getting like dark and you know like smokers' lips. It's really good for that. So I do this in the shower while my face is still damp. Dropped it. It didn't break because that's a good bottle. Let me show you. My bottles are sturdy, okay? It didn't break. I dropped it, but I do this in the shower and I rinse it off, but I'm gonna rinse it off now. But as you can already see, my lips look so much more moisturized and just smoother than they were earlier. I was looking ashy. No, you don't have to have ashy mouth. This scrub, let me rinse it off. Okay, I'm back, and by now I'm out of the shower and I've done everything. And my face is pretty much over halfway dry. I like to let my skin air dry, or either I'll, not towel dry, I will pat my face with a t-shirt because I like t-shirts. And I will get the serum, which is everybody's baby. I feel like the lighting is not allowing you to see it, but this is the serum, and this is my fave. Super moisturizing, a great way to seal the deal with this whole line. I still can't believe I squirted that soap in my eye. Thought I was gonna open it up and shoot the video. I might edit that out because I just look stupid. I don't know. But serum, and you can do however many drops you want, maybe 2. Boom, in the hand, and I just rub it. Oh, it feels so good. It just makes you feel good. And it's not greasy, it's not heavy, none of that. It just feels so good. It just feels so amazing and good. And I do that while my skin is partially damp because it does contain hyaluronic acid, and hyaluronic acid likes the water, right? So you want your skin to be just a little bit damp when you use the serum, not completely dry, because it helps the hyaluronic acid part of the serum to absorb into your skin. Just a tip. Whew, that feels good. So after that, as you can see, I'm glowy, I'm soft, even, and this will actually matte. I'm gonna try to stay here for a minute. Cause you see I'm glowy. I'm not greasy, but I'm glowy. But as my skin dries the rest of the way, it forms like a really good matte. So I could just walk out the door, which is, now this is what I do. I just walk out the door. I don't worry about any like concealer or anything because I'm going straight to work and I have to wear a mask anyway. So it's no point of me like putting all this stuff into my skin that's gonna be behind mask and hair and head and just pushing into my pores and making my skin look gross. No need for that. I'll just go out the door. This, oh, see, it's already matting up. I don't know if you can tell the difference, but it's already made up. But I love my products. I hope you all do too. And that's how you use those. I'm coming this week also with a full body rundown and how I crossed over to natural deodorant as well. So I hope that helps you know how to use the products. Stay tuned for more. I'm gonna even show you my hair routine with my Shein products, the shampoo bar, everything. I have everything coming for you, okay? So see you all soon. Oh, and new product dropped today. So we can do a little happy dance for that because I'm excited. Y'all asked for it, y'all got it. See y'all next time.